Are you custom tailoring your products to match your followers? If you are interested in maximizing profit and turnover, then custom tailoring your product is an excellent way of going about it. There are several reasons as to why this is vital for your business. Below are 5 reasons why you should. 1. Attention to detail pays off. Here, the focus is in ways that will make your product stand out from the others. Do not only stand out for a classy logo and brand but also show you are caring enough for your product. This will consequently push you to design everything about your product to the last detail, which clients will be able to see and make them want to buy. 2. Understand your clients and their trends. When you start tailoring your product, it means you are understanding your customers' needs and wants. If you carry out a research about what your clients want and match it to your product line, then your message becomes very powerful. Producing products in line with customers' needs and preference will not only save you money but will also help your clients notice how much you care and socially responsible you are. 3. Customization helps a product stand out. Tailoring your products has very many advantages and does help one distinguish her products and stand out from competition. If your products appear to have taken some time to plan before hitting the market, then what you are offering is likely to hold a strong foot in the market, keeping your business going for years to come. 4. Prevent bogusness. To effectively sell your product, allow clients to feel and come to a conclusion on their own instead of laying it out for them. Rather than reciting a long list of benefits and features, custom tailoring shows your service or product in action, consequently making your product interesting to want to have a second look. 5. Comprehensive packaging services. By tailoring your products, one also stands at an advantage of gaining numerous offers from other related service providers. For instance, one can sign a managed inventory getting one's back bill, or stock managed to allow one to have extra stock which can be accessed whenever needed at any time. This service not only allows one to free up space and save money but also gives one the opportunity to focus on other things. Additionally, these services also offer free packaging reviews to ensure that your packaging meets your requirements, helping you cut the costs. They also assist in the stock control and improve efficiency, allowing one to get on with their business. Overall, if you haven't thought about custom tailoring your product, it is high time you start thinking about it. Click the link below to find out how you can build up your followers and earn commissions on almost automatic pilot.